Welcome to Docsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your family chores chart. So let's get right into it. So the first tab is an instruction tab. So this tab is here just to show you the cells in which you can add information or the cells which you can edit. So the red cells are the one in which you can add information or the cells which you can edit. Also, you can see that throughout this tab, there are different notes. So these notes are here to show you what that particular cell is there for or what you should do in that particular cell, table or section. So whenever you feel confused or lost while working in your actual sheet, you can simply come back to the instruction tab and it will help you answer your doubts or any questions or confusion that you have. So moving on, as you can see, there are different tabs for different family members or different family sizes. So let's say your family size is of 6 members. So you can simply keep this tab and delete the other 4 tabs. So simply select the tab which suits your family size and then delete the other tabs. Don't delete the instruction tab obviously, but the other tabs. So this is how your chart is going to look once you filled in all the tasks and information and when you select the date and everything. So here you can edit the name of your chart. You can keep it to whatever that you want to keep, or simply you can keep it as a chores chart. It depends on you. It's a personal preference. Here you can select the date, so you have to simply double click and choose whatever date that you want to choose, and when you want to start your chart. So let's say you want to choose 15 December. So when you select the date, the changes will be reflected here, and you can see that you get the date and week, day, as well as the month. So if you choose, let's say 29 December, so yeah, you can see that the changes reflected all throughout the sheet. Here you can add different family members. You can add any family, like all the 6 members of the family, and that way it will help you assign different tasks to the different family members below here. Here you have to add different notes which are important to you and your family for that particular week or in that particular time span. So whatever important tasks are there or any important notice or anything that everyone should know about, you can simply add here in the notes. Below is your main chart where you're going to add tasks and check them off as you complete them. So this is where you are going to see your daily progress of the family. So as you can see, this is where you can add tasks and check them off as you complete them. At the top here, you're going to see your progress of your entire family. So this shows that your family has completed 38% of the daily tasks out of the total tasks that were assigned for the entire day. Here you are going to be able to see the tasks completed by the person or the family member in the entire week. So let's say Dad was assigned 15 tasks for the entire week. He completed 7 out of those. So as you take them off, you're going to see that it changes, and you'll be able to see how different family members are doing their tasks, performing their tasks. So yeah. So anyways, that's it for this video. As you can see, this chart is very simple, straightforward and easy to use. It is completely beginner friendly. But even then, if you have any doubts, any questions, you can contact us anytime on Etsy. We are there to help you anytime, any day.